Okay, let's see if we can do this quickly. Yeah, it's that kind of day. So, Chris Knife is on the scene. You know what that means. So I'm about to get cut open. And I got two. So let's hurry. Because, eh, okay, we're gonna do it this way because as of lately, my camera has been cutting off and not controlling. Score it so you guys can see. But you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna have to take this out. Okay, all right. Box number one is gonna have to go on the. Okay, I didn't quite plan this out well, so let's do it like this. Okay. All right. First one is a complete and package, and I have to open it out. Great. Actually need scissors to open it, but oh well. But we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Don't worry. We're gonna do this. Okay. All right. The first complete is a almost there. Yeah. Enjoy. All right. And with enjoy trucks and enjoy wheels. That probably, yeah. Doesn't say what size, but I'm pretty sure they're either 52s or 54s. And the bearings in them, I do not know. Okay, so first, enjoy. Okay, let's see what happens if we keep it there. All right. On to the next, once again in plastic, and I gotta open it. It is sealed, perfectly sealed. Okay. Just bear with me. All right. Okay. Write that down and next complete. Next complete. I'm gonna see if make sure I'm getting it in frame here. Is a blind. All right, with tensor trucks. I don't know if you can see that or notice the logo on it, but blind wheels. I can't remember the size. Oh, it does say the wheel size right here on the truck. It's a 52. Well, it says it on the wheel too. It didn't say that on the Enjoy. Did it? Did it say it on the Enjoy? Let me see. It did not say the size, but it said the diameter, the hardness of the wheel, and it's a 92. Okay, so there. Blind. Okay. All right, one more complete. All right, wasn't, that's kind of open, but not fully open. So I got to cut it again. All right. And this one, I don't know if you saw the tag or if you noticed the tag, but it really doesn't matter because it is a element with, this is a bigger board, so I'm just gonna go ahead and assume that the wheels are 52s. It doesn't say, because this is an 8. Why would, but it did say the size of the bearings in it. It's an 8. I mean ABEC 5. So width. I don't know if you can see Element Trucks. All right. First box complete. Okay, so let's get, you know, just got to put these guys to the side here and go from there. All right. Whew. And now it's back to the old setup on what we know and love. Box number 2 is getting cut open. Yeah. There. So you guys can see that's the proper way. That's how we. Thank you, Chris Knife. Whew. Back in you go. Your sheath. Back in your sheath you go. And first thing that comes out of box number 2 are some more Tensor trucks. I'll open them for you. I gotta open them anyway. Oh, we got them kind of double wrapped, but they're polished. Raw, polished Tensor trucks. You guys see that? See, I was trying to use the natural sunlight, but then it seemed kind of dark. So now I'm here with the inside lights, and now I'm getting too much of a glare. So yeah, sorry guys, but these are Tensor trucks. Okay. More trucks, but this time they are light speed with a Z. Yeah, light Z pad. Yeah, it's light speed. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, but powdered white and I guess turquoise bushings. Okay, that's the same thing. Paper. Oh. We have Rush bushings. I mean, really? Did I just say bushings? Rush bearings. All right. And they go by ABEC scale, so these are ABEC 7s. And if you're wondering, to me, they're pretty much on par with Bones Reds. If you know what that means, and if you care. All right. I'm just going to go with the first board on top. And it is as you can see by the name and the sticker, it's an almost. There you go. That's the graphic on it. Trying to make sure you guys can, the glare isn't too much. So that's board 2. And next board on top, it has a little top graphic if you can make it out. Can you? There you go. It's a reel. And the graphic, look at that graphic. Sweet. Okay, next board. Speedballing through this. Hopefully the camera doesn't cut off on me. And yes, everybody's favorite budget skateboard brand. Well, now I can't say budget no more because of the 9 Club, where they do this little segment called Budget or Buttery, and the budget is a bad thing. So from now on, I'm no longer gonna say budget when I'm trying to give credit to something that has a frugal price range. From now on, I'm just gonna say economy. And this is one of the best economy priced skateboard brand, and that is Mini Logo. And this graphic is, they got a contest going on, or I don't know if it ends or will it end, or if I don't know, but yeah, when you see this board, it's called the Masterpiece Board Series. Yeah, that little blank space right there is for you to design your own little artwork and send it in to them on either their Instagram. Yeah, I think it's their Instagram page. If I can find it, I'll leave a link in the description below. Or if you follow me on Facebook anyway, I'll leave a link there. Not Facebook and Instagram. Leave a link there. Either way, I'll leave a link for Mini Logo. All right? And okay. And only thing left now is just good old fashioned black grip tape. Okay. Jessup and Mob. You'll want to see Jessup. Mob. Okay. All right. That's that. All right, and I made it through this without the video camera cutting off, so which means that, hey, I did it right this time. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the big gaps in uploading videos. And there will be an announcement on how I start doing unboxings. So make sure you're following me on all platforms now. Instagram and Facebook. Hobo_skateboard_shop. And Facebook is the same thing, but Hobo Shop is also the Hobo Skateboard Shop without the underscores is also an Facebook page too. I don't know how I ended up with 2 that way, but it happened. So follow them both. What the hell? I think the one without the underscores is the one with the most stuff on it, but I upload, put the stuff on both of them anyway. Regardless, because Now, we're going to start doing other things, more exciting things, you know, coming up for the YouTube channel. I'm not saying exactly when the date is, so yeah. Unless you guys want to, leave the description below if you like seeing the unboxings on the YouTube channel. Let me know. If you want a more quickly quick shot of the product that gets brought into the shop, every day or whatever. Quickly view. Go to the Instagram page. If you prefer that, let me know. So, and we'll do that. But um, with that being said and done, that's all that needs to be said and done. So thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking, and for telling a friend to tell a friend. That keeps the channel going and growing. I am almost at 400 subs for this year. I think I'm just like 4 or 5 away. I can't remember. So please, yes, if you're not subscribed, help me out. I'm trying my best to hurry up and get to at least 1,000 so I can start monetizing the video. That really would help the shop. That way we can start generating money when we start doing things and, putting up videos. So that would be great. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That will let you know when I'll upload more videos. The unboxing is not going to stop right now, but they will. Just giving you guys a head up. I am going into that direction, but it will be more content, skateboarding content that will be coming your way. Right. But I will let the people decide. You like the unboxings on the YouTube channel? Let me know. If you're saying that, yeah, we like short videos of unboxings and stuff, then I'll put them on the Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat, which is Hobo-Pop. If you follow me there. All right. So that's it, y'all. And I'm about. And thanks for coming, like, and telling a friend. Yeah, I said that part. And 2 fingers.